Hi beauties! Welcome back. I am back with another skincare product, which name is Mixsoon Soondy Centella Asiatica Essence. If you have sensitive skin and looking for a product to moisturize, but also protect and strengthen the skin's barrier, you must try this product, Mixsoon Soondy Centella Asiatica Essence. The essence is good for sensitive skin, as the ingredients is simple. This essence contain 100% Centella Asiatica extract, straight from the natural lands of Jeju Island. Centella Asiatica extract. Soothing and protection skin, restore skin elasticity. Inflammatory and highly antioxidant properties that very effectively calm the inflamed skin, irritated from acne and rashes, takes away the redness and soothes the active pimples. Centella is overall used by people with acne problems. It also is great for restoring the skin, pH, and dull skin's uneven tone. It hydrates perfectly and locks the moist in the skin after you have finished the first part of your skincare routine. The packaging is simple, using 100 ml plastic bottle, and I also love the super cute packing with Soondy bear character, recommended for skin with inflammation and acne that needs soothing tired skin that lost its ability to restore itself, dull skin with uneven skin tone, skin that lost elasticity. After cleansing, apply a few drops to the entire face with your hands or with cotton pad. Also can be mixed with other skincare or cosmetic product. I personally use it directly into my face. Final thought. I've been using this essence for more than 2 weeks. It's very gentle and smooth, helps soothe and calm my irritated skin. The texture is watery like a tea color. This lightweight texture absorbs quickly, but there is greasy. The texture is watery like a tea color. This lightweight texture absorbs quickly, but there is greasy. The smell quite strong when I applied this essence, maybe from the Centella extract. So far I enjoy using this essence and I will repurchase this essence. I use it twice a day. Every morning after tonic and in the evening before my tretinoin. It instantly hydrates and calms my skin. Highly recommended for dry, dehydrated acne, prone and tired skin.